Are you looking for the best drum machines for beginners? Drum machines and electronic practice pads for beginners have evolved from toy-like devices to viable stepping stones for learning rhythm, sequencing, and production workflow. The right entry point can build foundational timing, groove perception, and familiarity with DAW integration, while a poor choice can impede motivation or create confusion about features. In this review,
Product number 1. Electric Drum Set Built-in Overview. Verktop's roll-up silicon electronic drum kit targets beginners and younger players with an all-in-one, ultra-portable package. It features 7 pads, 3 toms, snare, hi-hat, ride, and crash, 2 pedals, built-in stereo speakers with 10 volume levels, a rechargeable battery, and a silicone surface designed for roll-up portability. The package emphasizes accessibility, kid-friendly design, and ease of transport, positioning itself as a casual practice tool or travel-friendly jam pad rather than a studio-grade solution. Prospective buyers should note the unit's lightweight construction, 1.92 pounds, and its all-in-one nature, which makes setup instant and usage straightforward for beginners. Cons include the lack of external sound shaping controls beyond basic volume, limited pad count for serious practice, and reliance on a built-in speaker system that isn't competitive with dedicated monitors or headphones for critical listening. Performance-wise, Verktop excels in portability and immediacy. The silicone surface provides a forgiving bounce suitable for first-timers, while the included MIDI USB compatibility options via OTG or TAPI-Y connectivity enable basic integration with mobile apps and MIDI-capable devices, expanding its utility beyond pure practice. However, the experience is constrained by the absence of advanced features common in beginner-friendly gear, such as programmable kits, note repeat, or multi-bank triggering. The sunlight-friendly rainbow color can be appealing to kids, but it does introduce a level of consumer-grade aesthetic over studio-grade reliability. In practice, it shines as a travel companion, a classroom demo tool, or a casual home setup where quick setup and silent practice via headphones are prioritized. Product number 2. Akai Professional MPD-218 Overview. Akai MPD-218 is a compact USB-powered MIDI pad controller that brings 16 thick-fat MPC pads, 6 assignable knobs, and note-repeat full-level controls to a beginner-friendly workflow. It supports 3 pad banks for a total of 48 assignable pads and includes production software to help newcomers jump-start their learning curve. The device is well regarded for tactile, velocity-sensitive pads and a familiar MPC-style workflow, making it a strong bridge between learning rhythm and starting basic sequencing in a DAW. Prospective buyers should value its expandability, 3 pad banks, and Ableton Live compatibility, making it a practical entry point into electronic music production without needing a full-size drum machine. Cons include a lack of built-in speakers or sound engine, requiring a computer and software for sound generation, and a steeper initial learning curve for users new to MIDI sequencing. Performance-wise, the MPD-218 delivers expressive control through MPC-style pads with note repeat and full-level features that enable rhythmic accuracy and dynamic performance. The presence of 18 fully assignable knobs spread across 3 banks provides quick access to virtual instrument and effect parameters, which is especially valuable for learning automation, filter sweeps, and groove shaping in a DAW. The need for external software means you're investing in a platform-agnostic controller rather than a self-contained module. This makes it ideal for beginners who plan to progress into a DAW environment, and in real-world use, it excels as a teaching tool and a stepping stone towards more complex hardware or software drum setups.
Product number 3. Electronic Drum Set Overview. Spode offers a 9-pad roll-up electronic drum pad with 2 pedals, built-in stereo speakers, and a 180-second recording function. It includes 10 demo songs and 9 rhythms, plus a 3.5mm headphone jack for quiet practice. The compact 9-pad layout covers essential drums, 3 toms, crash, hi-hat, ride, snare, bass, and provides an approachable entry point for kids and beginners who want a portable, self-contained kit with simple playback and basic recording. The device emphasizes portability, a broad tempo range, and the ability to connect to mobile devices via aux for expanded playback. Prospective buyers should consider its battery-powered operation, 5V2A adapter not included, and 10-hour playtime per charge at strengths for practice on the go. Cons include limited pad count, modest sound shaping controls, and a reliance on built-in speakers that won't satisfy those seeking studio-grade, lifelike drum tones. Performance-wise, the SPOT unit delivers practical practice capabilities with a decent tempo spectrum and a note record feature that helps beginners capture ideas. The 3.5mm aux input expands listening options, allowing players to jam along with smartphone tracks or apps. However, the lack of advanced features such as editable kits, custom sample loading, or multi-layer sequencing means it's best used for raw practice and pattern repetition rather than producing polished songs. The included 3.5mm headphone jack is a clear advantage for late-night practice, while the built-in speakers provide convenient, if not highly refined, built-in sound. In real-world use, it is a good pocket option for kids or travelers who want a low-barrier entry into drumming with a compact footprint.
Product number 4, Electric Kids Drum Set. Overview. Grow Daily's electric drum set targets kids with a 9-pad silicone layout, 3 toms, 2 crashes, hi-hat, ride, snare, bass, plus dual stereo speakers and a 1750 mAh lithium battery for mobile practice. It features 15 color-changing light-up sticks for a visually engaging performance and a 10-rhythm, 5-tone, 10-demo song library to support basic rhythm training. The device supports MIDI compatibility via USB OTG or TAPI cables and includes an aux port for external audio streaming. This makes it appealing for educational use, playful experimentation, and casual home practice, especially when kids respond positively to multimedia cues. Prospective buyers should note its strong emphasis on entertainment and ease of use, while the absence of a robust built-in mixer or deep customization options may limit serious practice or production work. Performance-wise, Grow Daily emphasizes family-friendly play and visual feedback through LEDs, which can boost engagement for younger learners. The silicone pads are durable and rollable, contributing to exceptional portability. MIDI capability adds value for future DAW-focused learners who want to connect to music apps or computer software. However, the device's sonic palette is comparatively shallow, and the lack of advanced controls or sample loading implies it remains a practice and light experimentation tool rather than a professional-sounding drum machine. In practical terms, it's excellent for early rhythm education, casual gigging with portable power, and hands-on play where visuals and portability trump deep sound design.
Product number 5, Stylophone Beat Overview. Stylophone Beat is a compact, stylus-based drum machine with 4 drum kits and 4 bass sounds, designed for quick sketching, pattern layering, and on-the-fly groove creation. It runs on 3 AA batteries and includes a built-in speaker with the click track and tempo lock to help keep time. The device emphasizes pocket portability, simple pattern recording, and basic connectivity with headphones for private practice. Prospective buyers will appreciate its minimal footprint, immediate usability, and the nostalgic appeal of Stylophone's legacy. Cons include limited sound scope, only 4 kits and 4 bass sounds, absence of advanced sequencing or external MIDI control, and battery dependence, which can add running costs and limit continuous use. Performance-wise, Stylophone Beat excels for brainstorming, quick idea capture, and learning rhythm without complex setup. The built-in speaker and headphone output make it versatile for both casual listening and quiet practice. However, as a beginner's tool, it lacks the depth found in more robust drum machines, such as pattern editing, multi-track recording, or DAW integration. In real-world use, it's ideal as a travel-friendly scratch pad, a classroom demo device, or a gift for younger beginners who want immediate access to groove creation with minimal friction.